Hi you guys, happy Thursday. It's Alyssa with So Fancy. I'm just kidding with the hammer. We are going to use it though in a roundabout way. So when you hop on, say hi. How's your day going? I'm on so much later than I thought. It was one of those days, and then I had to change because it's like a gazillion degrees in my house right now. I'm up in Maine, and it's gonna be like 55 on Saturday, which is crazy for December, but who knows. But so December, see, I'm back on December. The January bundle. Who's got it? Who's looked at it? Have you gotten any files from it? Let me know. Let me know what your if you've gotten it, or if you've gone to look at it or whatnot. Go, not now, when we're done, go look at it and pop back on here and tell me what your favorite file is on there, because there are so many I can't even choose from. I've got even more things planned throughout the month with it. I'll give you a sneak peek. I picked up some wood blocks that we're going to use. Lots of wood, which is good. It's fun. One of the files in the January bundle is leather cuffs, and they're so cute. They have different designs, different, there's 6 of them, I believe. And I made one as a tester that I cut out, and I actually foil quilled around it, which you can do too, which is a great option. This one though, I cut it out and I was like, First off, it goes great. If you guys saw Melissa's video yesterday with the faux leather earrings, the XOXO earrings that she did with the faux leather, this cuff is going to go so well with it. It matches it totally. It's the same leather. I use the Cricut faux leather, which I've got a ton of, but it'll make a great little set to go together. So there's earrings in there, and then you've got your cuffs, which again have 6 different little designs in them. You've got little X's, there's some like leaf shapes, but I thought the hearts would go cute with the XOXO earrings, which Melissa has on the other side of the country, but we'll try to get a picture together with them, or I'll cut some out and take a picture. But what I did with faux leather, the Cricut faux leather, which I did link up top, comes in a roll. Let me show you. Comes in a roll. There's 9 colors, maybe 7, 9 colors. And what I like to do is you can add HTV to them. You can add glitter to them, glitter HTV. So what I like to do is I'll cut out pieces and iron it to the back side. There's the back, and this one's kind of hard to tell the different side. This one's a better color. Here's a copper, and then you have your inside. So what I'll do is I'll heat transfer either HTV pattern. You can even use solid if you wanted a different color leather, faux leather that you couldn't find. So I will put down the HTV and press it on, either with my heat press or my mini, which I love. And then you can cut it out. So then that way you have, because on just regular, if you cut it out normal, you've got an unfinished side, which works with the cuffs. But my thought on it was, let's add something to it. I thought it needed something else. So it gives it a whole nother look. I put my camera really high today. I don't know why. So if you put it together, you've got the one side. I've got a weird shadow in here. And then on your other side, then you'll have a finished side on it, and it'll make it a little bit thicker of a cuff. So I made one earlier to try it out. It gives it a thickness, which is really nice. And then my thing that I had to wait for UPS, which my hammer, was I got this amazing snap set. which I linked up top. There's like 120 snaps in here. One of the things that I had to figure out how to do today was to put the snaps together. But the snaps, when you look at the listing, there's a video that will show you, and then it also comes with some instructions. It comes with this cute little box that you need the piece to cut the hole in it to set the snaps. I tried different snaps earlier. There's gold, there's copper, silver, black, gunmetal. It's a great set. So what I did, I'll tell you what I did. We followed the cut settings for the faux leather. Again, if you watched Melissa's video yesterday, and if you didn't, go over and check it out today. If you have a CAMEO 3 or a CAMEO 4, you can use your auto blade or a ratchet blade. And your cut settings are going to be a blade of 10, speed of 1, force of 22, and pass of 2. 2 passes, which means it's going to cut it, and then it's going to cut it again. Now, I found when I add glitter to the faux leather, you have to cut it a little deeper and still do 2 passes. So I usually bump it up, because you can't go higher than a blade of 10 unless you've got a deep cut blade or a fabric blade. And the fabric blade, I don't believe, gives you as much pressure. So I bump it up to about 29 or 30. And then I'll still do the 2 passes. And it'll pop right out. So, again, all you do is you take your HTV, and I'm looking for a piece of HTV right now. I've got some here that I will show you. You've got your HTV. You're just going to lay it down right on the leather onto the back side. I'm not going to flip the camera down yet. So you'll just put it on. Again, your HTV has the carrier sheet, so you're going to put your sticky side, so to speak, on the back side of your leather. And however big of a piece. I wouldn't put a whole piece on, because then you've got a whole piece of leather, unless you've got a plan for it all. But I usually cut, like for this one, I measured how much I needed for it, and then I just cut from there. The cuffs are sized. Now, I measured my wrist for the cuff, because the first one that I did come out a little small for me. Just about closed, but not quite. So I did increase it, and if you pull the little corners to make it the length that you need, you'll have better luck, and you won't askew your sizing. So again, you're going to cut 1 from whichever is your top color. Then you're going to take your HTV, or your HTV covered leather. And what I did was I pulled off the hearts. I just ungrouped whatever was inside of this one, pulled them out, and then just cut the outline. Or you can just cut out. Okay. So you've got this. I will flip you down, because I don't have to climb on a chair to get this, because I don't have any shelves. But we have the Xyron sticker maker, and we're going to take, I don't want to put the glitter side through, so I'm going to put this side through. I don't think it'll fit that way. Push that down, feed it through. And I love this thing. If you're making earrings, this is a great way to back them. And then, hopefully you guys can see that now. I just burnish it down just to get a little bit extra. We're going to pull it off. Now, you're going to have a little bit of glue, a stickiness in the center. That's okay, because you can just work it out with your fingers around before you put it on, after you put it on. It's not really, it'll come off. And you're going to line it up. Line your ends up. And press. And again, you can work off the glue. Another reason that I didn't cut these on is because you do so many passes. It does take a few minutes to cut these. So you can kind of cut and walk away for a little bit and then come back and you'll have your pieces cut out. You can cut multiple ones. I mean, how cute is this? Love it. So pretty. And you can use, like, I just picked this turquoise, but you can use any color. There's tons of leather combinations. There's the copper, there's blue, there's teal, there's a brown, a couple different browns, there's black. I mean, black with the red. But I wanted to try to keep it, I don't know, I just picked actually what I had a lot of. So, you're going to put this together. To measure for your snaps, and I'm not going to do the snaps because it is a quite loud process, because you do have to hammer. My biggest suggestion is to do it on another piece of wood. I was doing it on here. This table is a hollow door, so I don't have enough pressure behind it. I did it on my dining room table and I made divots in it because I was hammering in it. So because you have to use this block and then you to make a hole. So what I did, if I can find my tape measure, I took my pick, my weeding pick, and I measured so that I could put the snaps in the right place. Okay, so it's 2 inches across. So at a half an inch, yeah, half an inch, I put a hole, little one, and then I put another one here so that my snaps will be evenly spaced. Same thing on the other side. And put that one there and that one there. Now, those are not the holes that you're going to use. That's just a guide. Your snap maker comes with it, and you put it on here, you go like this, and you whack really hard. And it's going to make a round hole because there's that little maker. But I'm not going to do that because I will deafen people. And then you'll put your pieces together from the snap guide or the video. But it's really easy once you figure out which two pieces go together. And then when you're done and you've got them all attached, you've got your cuff, which so cute. And it goes with the earrings, makes a great gift, or, you know, if you've got a little girl, or even like for a slumber party, girls could be making these with their friends. Hey, Kelly, I just flipped my phone up and I just saw that you're on. So cuffs, leather cuffs go with the earrings. Wicked cute, holidays, even just plain ones you could do. But so cute, right? With a black shirt, not with my plaid, kind of not working it. But go check out the January bundle. Let me know what your favorite file is from there, because I'm really curious what everyone's liking this month, this year. But hope you guys have a great day. We will see you soon. I'll be back next week, and I'm thinking we're going to do some vlogs. Okay, have a great weekend. Bye.